Good morning to Dr. Shokri and my fellow friends. Today, our group will be presenting about sustainable livestock.
Today, we are going to present about the Holstein Milk Company Sdn Bhd, which produce local dairy brand Farm Fresh in this video.
Farm Fresh sells dairy products such as fresh milk products, yogurt, and goat milk products.
History of Farm Fresh. Ever since growing up in a small town in Perak, Farm Fresh CEO Mr. Loy Tuan Ee has held a deep respect for agriculture and a love for nature. Farm Fresh means dairy from farm, delivered to customer as freshly and naturally as possible. To deal with the growing demand for his uniquely fresh dairy, Mr. Loy expanded his operation, moving to Mawai Johor and setting up the second factory farm in Muazzam Shah Pahang. From starting with 60 cows, now number of grand total of 3,500 cows spread over two world-class purpose-built facilities.
Next, I will present about economy of sustainable agriculture. That means that a farm is managed in a way that ensures its long-term profitability. So my first point is the production of variety products that will increase consumers' demand. So the demand curve shifts out enough to cover up its costs or even exceed it, the company will obtain economic profits. My second point is this company gain investment from Khazanah Nasional Berhad that will help the expansion of company's operations, and this company has the potential of unlimited income and pay less taxes. And last but not least, this company has strategic business system or plan. The company implements marketing methods which are upon stockists and distributors to expand their products nationwide. As the result, it provides business opportunities to the public. And I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about this company's contribution toward the social and economic equity. Okay, first they did corporate social responsibility when they sponsored the 6th season of Gegar Vaganza show, and while they were sponsoring the show, they also organized an education program for the society. And next, this is what happened when one of their customers making complaint regarding the bad quality of the milk. What happened next was the owner of the company gave the customer free milks, and this shows how they emphasize human rights in the company. Okay, that's all from me.
Next, I'm going to explain about sustainable practices in the environment. So FarmFresh has been using Australian Holstein Jersey cow. Why? Because Jersey produces 20% less greenhouse gases and also produce the highest quality milk for the human. So that's why Jersey are ideally suited for today's dairy industry. But Jersey production of milk cannot support the increasing demand. So this is where Holstein cows come into the picture because they can produce more milk compared to the other dairy breeds. So this is why FarmFresh chose to crossbreed these two breeds because they can produce a lot of high quality milks while practicing sustainability. Also been proven that improving milk yield per cow has been shown to reduce natural resource use and waste emission per unit of milk. Thank you.
So as a conclusion, Farm Fresh is actually one of the companies that have great principles in sustaining their livestock. So that is all from us. Thank you for listening.